Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you that you could turn simple text into a full video in just a few clicks. No editing skills, no expensive software, just AI. So let's get started step by step. Open your browser. First, you need an AI tool that converts text into video. Some popular options are like first one is Pictory AI. It will create video easily. You can click on get started now. Login with your email address. Second one is in video AI, and the third one is synthesis AI. These three AI tools can convert your text into video. Like Pictory AI, here you will click on text to video. Here you will type your prompt, like I am writing create a video in which girl eating volcano ice cream. It's for sample purpose only. Then select the this. Here you will see click on generate. Firstly, we need to click on start with an idea. Create a 30-second video in which girl eating volcano ice cream. Then click on generate script. It will generating script. Then click on generate video. If you want to select a theme, you can. Another is in video. Here we will click on try in video. Also synthesis AI. First, you need to log in any of your AI. Here you see you have the templates also. You can choose any of the template or just prompt to video. Click on prompt to video. Here you will select the duration like 30 seconds. Create a video in which mountains and snow will visible. Then click on create video. Here you will see visual ready. Now preparing your storyboard. It will take some time to complete. And you will see, click on scene 1. Your video will be completed successfully. It also complete the video. You can also customize your video, edit text, select voice style, add branding or logo. anything you want, you can. That's it. That's how you can turn text into video using AI. Super fast and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.